So what is up, guys? Just want to do a quick update on this trimaran. We've got this section here that's been smoothed out for the most part. It's got a couple little dings in it. Same thing here. This is a little bit more done and ready for gel coat. The mask these off. There's quite a few spots that need gel coat, but I'll either sand this off, like a section of it, so that I don't get overspray on the shine, much like this. Do it all in the same shot, maybe. And then I've got these edges here that are glassed over. I took a 1/4 inch, a little more than a 1/4 inch of wood. This toe here extends underneath to this side, same thickness. So I took a little bit off. This was, I think, the problem is the glass and everything is really thin here. Some of this even has a problem. This is all dried out now, so I'm going to go ahead and give that some glass as well. But there's a couple little spots, that being the worst one. We've got this side here, same thing. Didn't quite catch it before it dried, so I'll cut that off. But did a pretty good job not hitting the deck, the non-skid. This should all come together good, and I'll just make just mask this off and use gel coat afterwards. And I'm going to hit this one more time. What I'd like to do, actually, just for stiffness, this thing's not cooperating. There we go. You can see underneath, that it's just this piece. So this extends inside about a 1/4 inch, like I said, and then this is out further to where the deck ends. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to grind this all down smooth. And then I'm going to take another piece of fiber, I'm going to wrap it right up underneath this so that there's no more give or less give, and that's going to kind of support it, I think, a little bit better. Attach it to this side more. You see I already did that here, just a little bit. And I'll give this a grind, kind of roll it up there. Same here, roll it right back. And that should not only seal it up, but make it a little bit more sturdy. And there's a good 1/4 inch of glass in between the wood and the outside, if not a little bit more. Actually, it'll be more once I layer that last piece on. And there shouldn't be any reason for the water to penetrate into the wood that's behind here. So that should be all set. And next thing I got to do really is just gel coat. I've got most of the areas prepped. Once these are ground and sand and ready, I've got some other spots I'm going to hit at the same time, like this crack here and a couple of the ones I showed you. I'll take the ones back here now, but on the side, the corner over there. And I'll glass those all today, actually. And then once they're all smoothed out, then I can start spraying. All these are mostly sanded and ready. So once I'm to gel coat, I'm going to do them all at the same time. These areas, this areas, and there's 1 or 2 inside, here and there, not too much. A couple of them inside. So in any case, thanks for watching. That's about where we're at on this. And I'll try to get some more videos of me actually working on here. Thanks a lot. I appreciate you guys watching. Please subscribe. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Thank you. Bye.